If you've ever saved a template in CapCut and then wondered where it went, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to see your saved templates in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but useful tutorial, especially if you use templates often and want to come back to them later without searching all over again. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is fully loaded, look over to the left-hand menu on the screen. This is where CapCut keeps most of its main tools and sections. From there, click on Templates. This will take you into the Templates area inside CapCut. Now, once you're on the Templates page, look just under the search bar. You should see an option called Favorites. Click on Favorites, and this is where CapCut stores the templates you've saved. After you click it, you'll be able to see all of your saved templates in one place. This makes it super easy to find the ones you liked, revisit them, and use them again later in your projects. So if you ever lose track of a template you saved, just remember this simple path. Open CapCut, go to Templates, and then click Favorites under the search bar. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can quickly access every template you've saved in CapCut. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.